box, the first thing you'll see is the Quick Start Guide. On top of giving you helpful directions on how to set up and use your canvas, the guide also contains your pairing code, so make sure to hold on to it because you'll need it during the pairing process. Next, you'll find your control square. To learn more about the control square, check out our video linked below. Next are the actual canvas squares themselves. In this Smarter Kit, you'll find 8 canvas light squares plus your control square for a total of 9 squares. Then you'll find the power supply unit that you'll be using to power your canvas. You'll also find your double-sided mounting tape, which is what you'll use to simply attach your panels to the wall. And finally are your linkers, these small pieces that you'll use to connect each square through the linker slots in the back of the squares. And that's what you'll find in your Nanoleaf Canvas Smarter Kit and everything you'll need to get started with your new canvas.